Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to validate the frame signature packet using the Airstack Frames SDK within just a few lines of code really easily. So first, just initialize the Airstack Frames SDK, initialize it with the Airstack API key, just like this. Once done, then we can get the body from await request JSON like that. And once we have the body, which is where the frame signature packet is located, then we can validate it by calling the await validate frame message, and then just provide the body directly right there. Just as simple as that. And from there, we can get fields such as is valid and message that we can use to get data such as like the caster's ID or maybe the interactor's ID and many other information from the hubs itself. So from here we can try to console log to show what they have. Is valid is essentially like whether like the frame signature packet that's validated is valid or not. So from there we can save and try to run this. So I'm running a Grok server right here, and I'm in the validator right here already running the frames live. So from here, I'm gonna click this button, and this button is going to make a post request directly to this next API server right here. So from there, I can just call this, and essentially it should call this API right here and run and log me what we have from the is valid and message we have right there. So there you go. So the is valid is going to be like true because it's a valid signature packet as expected, and then like it's going to give all the message such as the data from the FID, timestamp network, and many other fields as you can see from right there. So yeah, just like that.